Hi class, this short video is going to introduce you to the grading specifications for the academic summary, and I'm going to take a moment to talk about how to use these grading specifications throughout the semester so that you can get credit and full credit on all of your unit projects. The first thing that you want to do is save yourself a copy or print a copy of these grading specifications. Let me put this on viewing mode so it'll look like what you see when you pull them up. If you go to the File option, then you can save yourself a copy by downloading it. You can also make a copy if you'd like to save this on your own Google Drive, or you can print the copy for yourself. So every unit assignment, every unit project that we have, you will be given a set of grading specifications that you can use as a checklist. These are going to be my rubric for evaluating your work in the class. You'll have them right at the very beginning, and you can use them to plan, revise, and edit your work. So the key to the grading specifications is that you have to meet every specification for the project to receive credit. And if you'll notice, these might look a little different than other rubrics you've gotten. This is not a multi-level rubric where a 5 or an A is the highest level down to 1. Instead, it's a single level rubric where you either have the specification or you don't. So to give you an example, the first one is that the introduction paragraph introduces the article by giving the complete author's name, complete article title, publication information, date, and the context for the article's argument or what the article was responding to. As long as all of that information is in your introduction, you would have the specification met. So as you're preparing to write your essay, you should go through and read through these and make sure that you understand all of the points. And then when you're ready to finalize your essay before you turn it in, you should use these specifications as a checklist, because if even one is missing, then you would have to revise in order to get credit. So if you take a look at this one, there's a few specifications that tell you that stuff has to happen in every paragraph. For example, the summary uses descriptive transitions in every paragraph to indicate the chronological order of the original argument. That means that you would want to go into your paragraphs and make sure that you have chronological transitions in every paragraph. First, the writer discusses, then he moves on to, after he discusses A, he discusses B, finally, so that you're using those signal phrases. The other thing it asks for is that you use descriptive signal phrases in every paragraph to indicate the origin of all ideas in the summary. So every time you're presenting one of Young's points, you would say, Vershawn Ashanti Young argues, Young contemplates, Young states, so that you're using that author's name plus an active action verb in order to introduce the ideas. The other thing that you need in every paragraph is a clear topic sentence. This is another thing that you're going to have to go back through before you submit. Take a look at that first sentence in each of your paragraphs and make sure that that sentence declares what you're about to introduce and discuss in the paragraph. Every assignment that we have will have a set of these grading specifications. You should use them throughout the writing process for planning, drafting, revision, and editing. By going through the specifications and making sure that you meet all of the minimum requirements, you can earn full credit on all of your work. If you have any questions, please be sure to email me or post in Blackboard.